So the first thing we're gonna do is use dry shampoo. The dry shampoo that I use is by Living Proof. So what you're gonna do is shake the bottle. Then I'm going to start just taking sections of my hair and spraying. Let's see if I can do this without a mirror. Then we're gonna let it sit for 30 seconds. And we're back. So next we're going to rub the scalp. As we do this, this helps distribute the product into the hair and gets rid of kind of that white cast that a lot of dry shampoos leave. So now that my hair is free of oils, next I'm going to use a volumizing powder. So this one is by Kevin Murphy. It's the Powder Puff. I'm gonna do section some hair and just start, again, I don't have a mirror so I can't really see, and just let that sit and just kind of pour some of this onto the hair. Side note, I am in my closet because my apartment is super dark and it does not get good lighting anywhere. Yeah, here we are. So now that we've kind of prepped the hair, then we're gonna add some texture and life back into it with some texture spray. And the one I use is by Kevin Murphy. It's called Bedroom Hair. Key with texture sprays is that you don't want to go in kind of like this. As you spray, you want to grab sections of your hair and start kind of shaking them. You want them to separate as you pick them up. So as you're spraying, going to already this side compared to this side. If you want a little extra body, you can take a comb or even a brush. Is just take your comb and just start kind of back combing it. Body. Just to fluff it up. And what you can do is just brush some of it so hairs aren't like sticking out. You just kind of want to go over top. So this is the final look. As you can see, we have a lot more body and volume and life in the hair. I love using this when I want to go longer in between shampoos, or if you got a blowout and you want to extend the life of your blowout or curls, this is what you can do so that you don't always have to wash your hair and do your hair every day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.